Hi, all students here, Divyashree, and today I'm here to discuss about the death of a partner, which is one more six marker from partnership business accounts. Death of a partner due to health or due to some unforeseen contingencies. If the partner dies, will the business continue? Is the first question. If business want to continue, then they shall settle all the settlement amount to the partner who is also known as now the deceased partner. Settlement amount to all the deceased partner which the partner is eligible for, or either the business continues by settling the partner's dues or the partnership firm comes to an end. Business ends. So we told about the settlement amount to the partner which is eligible. This partnership coming to an end, which we discussed, dissolution, that is yesterday. Dissolution of partnership firm. Now, what is the partner eligible for? Partner is eligible for his capital, what he is contributed to the business, unless there are any drawings which will be subtracted. Then he shall be eligible for the reserve fund, and he shall be eligible for profit and loss, either which may be credit balance or debit balance, which is profit and which is losses. If it is losses also the partner has to bear, if it is profit also the partner has to bear it. Then if he may be eligible for any salary or commission till the death of his term. Then if he is eligible for profit that is accrued till the date of death. This profit is also known as profit and loss suspense account. Now, let's see how to compute the problems based on the basic understanding of death of a partner. Now, the partner is dead. Who will receive all the amount, all the settlement dues? Who will receive it? He is also known as the executor or legal hire. The person who will receive all the dues that is due for the partner from the business. They might ask either 2 marker or 1 marker who is an executor. Now, when we are calculating the months in the business, how shall we compute? Suppose the balance sheet year ending is 31st March 2014 and the partner expired on 31st October 2014. How shall we calculate the month? The starting month, 31st month, so it will be considered from April. April 2014 to, since it is 31st of the October, you shall include October month also. So it will be October 2014. So the total months is 7 months. Suppose if the person instead of October, if he is dead on 1st of October 2014, since it is the start of the month, you shall exclude this month. So the eligible month will only be till September 2014. So the months to be calculated for calculating the dues for certain items under death is only for the 6 months. So let's see how the problems to be worked out based on this. Okay, this is the first question that we will be solving. Let's solve two more questions for better understanding of this chapter. So, death of our partner. Okay, the question is we are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. We died on 30/9/2013. It was agreed between the executor. Executor is a person who receives all the settlement dues of a death of a partner from the business, and the survival partners, that these are the adjustment. First, let's see what and all is the partner eligible to take from the business. First, the person who is dead is V. So V is capital. Yes, he is eligible. General reserve. Yes, these are the profits, accumulated profits that are kept for future contingencies. So it will be shared among this ratio. V's ratio is 2. Then what are the adjustment? Is there any profit and loss? No profit and loss account. So only his capital and general reserve are the first two items that you are supposed to consider for settlement of dues. Then the first adjustment tells goodwill to be valued at 2 years of purchase of average profit for the last 4 years of profits. That is 2009 and 10 13, 10 and 11 13, 11 and 12 20, 12 and 13 15,000. V's share of profit on revaluation on his death. So V's share is completely given. So there is no month calculation. Please read if it is V share or if it is firm share of profit. It is since V share, there is no month calculation. On date of death is 1000. Next, profit for the year 2013 and 12 and 13 is to be taken as a base for calculating accrued profit. So 2013 12 13 profit is 15,000. So base is this. We shall give profit and loss suspense account up to date of his death. Then interest on capital provided at 10% per annum. So which and all will include month calculation? Interest on capital, yes, because this is per annum. So we shall give only till the month he is alive in the business. Then profit for the year, it is taken as base. He is not there for the whole year. Since he is not there, base is the previous year profit, we shall compute. So this is month calculation, this is month calculation. Since V share is already given, there is no month calculation. Then goodwill. Goodwill is an item, so we shall not calculate month calculation here. And here this also general reserve, it will be only the share and no month calculation. And capital, you will directly write the capital. So let's solve this problem. Before solving, how many months he was there in a business? When did the balance sheet end? 31st March 2013. We died on 39 2013. How many months? Since it is a March end, you will consider from April. April to September. It is 6 months. Anything will be calculated basis 6 months. So let's prepare his account, V's capital account. So what are the accounts that we are supposed to prepare? One, it is their death partners capital account, and one more is called as executors account. So first we shall prepare capital account. Who is dead? V. So V's capital account. So first step, first always complete the balance sheet items. So first is his capital. So V's by balance brought down. So his capital is 30,000. Since we are preparing capital account, we have to reduce the balance. So it is capital account debit. It has been debited. Liability reduction, it has to be debited. Next it is reserve fund. But reserve fund, we shall give only his share. What is the reserve fund? Reserve fund is 10,000. 10,000 into, please show all the calculation. 2 by 5. 2 is to 2 is to 1. 2 so 2, the total is 5. So reserve fund. So the total general reserve of his share is 4,000. Next, balance sheet items are done, only the capital and reserve fund. Now, let's come to the adjustment. First adjustment is goodwill adjustment. So, for goodwill adjustment, we shall calculate the goodwill basis the profit that is being given in the question. So, first they have told goodwill is calculated basis profits. Now, we shall take, and they have told 2 years of purchase of average profits of last 4 years. So last 4 years profit is, you shall write the goodwill. Goodwill will be equal to 2 years of purchase into average profit of 4 years. For calculating average profit, what is the formula? Profits divided by number of years. So all the profits shall be added. The first profit is 13,000 plus 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So divided by 4. The answer will be 15,000. 15,000 into 2 years of purchase. That will be 30,000. Now this is firm's goodwill. Now we shall calculate his share of goodwill. So his share will be 2 by 5. So his share is 12,000. This 12,000 who shall give? The other partners who are existing partners. Who are those? K and R. So by K's capital account, by R's capital account, it is 12,000 into 2 by, what is the rest of the things belonging? 2 by 3, 12,000 into 1 by 3. So next is, it has been divided in the remaining share. 12,000 into 2 by 3 is 8,000. 12,000 into 1 by 3 is 4,000. Next adjustment is V share of profit on revaluation of his debt. So by revaluation account, since the share is already given, it is 1,000. Next, profit for the year ending 2013, 12-13 is to be taken basis calculating the accrued profit basis 2012 and 13. 12-13 profit is 15,000. So by profit and loss suspense account. So profit is 15,000. 15,000 is, his share is 2 by 5 into number of months. How many months? 6 divided by 12. Profit and loss suspense account until date of his death. So 15,000 into 2 by 5 into 6 by 12. His share will be 3,000. Last adjustment is interest on capital to be provided at 10% per annum. By interest on capital. Capital is 30,000. 30,000 into 10%. 10 divided by 100 into how many months? 6 divided by 12. It is 1,500. And nothing is there on the debit side. So whatever is the amount total will have to be paid to the executor. 51,500 to Venkat to V share of V share V executors account 51,500. It shall be transferred to executor's account. We share V's executor account 51,500. Now we shall prepare the executor's account. It's just the transfer of V's executor's account. By V's capital account 51,500. Since there is no payment being made, so balance carried down 51,500. By balance brought down same 51,500. That's all is the answer. Thank you. If you're liking it, like this video, please like, follow, and subscribe it. Thank you.